Whether you're drinking cold water or hot tea, the Zojirushi stainless mug goes where you go. The stainless mug comes in 12, 16, and 20-ounce capacities and is available in clear red, pearl pink, cinnamon gold, and black. The compact mug takes up minimal space while maximizing capacity. At only a little over 7 ounces for the 16-ounce size, its ultra-lightweight design won't weigh you down. These durable mugs are made using high-quality 18-8 stainless steel and use Zojirushi's superior vacuum insulation technology. By removing the air between the outer and inner layers of the stainless steel, heat is blocked from transferring through it, greatly minimizing the temperature change of your beverage. Your drink stays hot or cold for hours. The unique lid design makes this the perfect mug for use all day long. The two-step flip-open lid helps prevent excess condensation on the stopper from being flung off while the lid opens. And an air vent on the mouthpiece allows beverages to flow out smoothly without gushing or overflowing. The lid covers the sipping area to maintain cleanliness, and when used properly, the lid lock stops the lid from accidentally opening in your bag. The non-stick interior coating makes the mug easy to clean, and with a 1.5-inch opening, the mug is easy to fill and accommodates full-size ice cubes. The lid disassembles for thorough cleaning, and 2 gaskets keep the lid securely on the mug to minimize leaks and spills. In addition, all areas that come into contact with your beverage are BPA-free, making the mugs safe to use. Stylish, compact, practical, and versatile, the Zojirushi stainless mug is sure to become your indispensable everyday carry. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
There are no limits to what you can brew. The nifty carousel for K-Cups elegantly displays up to 35 of your favorite coffee pods. The Lazy Susan base rotates 360 degrees, making it extremely easy to find and select your flavor. The stylish chrome finish design looks great on any kitchen countertop, so you can keep tabs on what's left without cluttering up your kitchen counter.
Hi there! The Easy Prep Bento Box Set is the perfect on-the-go storage solution for your healthy, portion-controlled meals. This 20-pack comes with everything you need to store several meals at once. Each container has 3 compartments each, holding up to 32 ounces. First, you create and prep the perfect meal, then simply load up each compartment with your delicious, healthy foods. And see, isn't this a great way to keep your portion sizes under control? It keeps you from overeating. Then just stack them up and store them in the fridge or the freezer. You can safely heat them up in the microwave. They're built to withstand several washings in the dishwasher. And check out this durability. They're designed to hold up to multiple uses. You'll be happy to know Easy Preppa food containers are safe to use, made with the highest quality, eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic material. Enjoy the safe, tough, reusable portion-controlled, on-the-go meal prep storage solution from Easy Prep Bento Boxes today.
Only Perfect Tear paper towel holders feature a patented ratchet design that lets you easily tear just a single sheet every time. And that's because this ratchet design controls the spinning of the roll, so you won't be unraveling extra sheets you don't need. You can get just the sheet you want with one hand. Simply grab, pull, and tear. The ratchet prevents spinning, releasing one sheet, while the sturdy weighted base provides solid support. You get simple and effortless tears without wasting extra sheets, and replacing the roll is quick and easy. Simply slide the paper towel roll over the pillar and into place. Plus, the vertical holder offers a convenient, space-saving countertop solution. With Perfect Tear Technology's patented ratchet design, getting just the paper towel you need is as simple as grab, pull, and tear.